Hello traders, welcome back. There are many traders who knows the basic rules and method of forex trading, but still they have a little confusion about the topic of price action and price action based strategies. So in this lecture today, I will explain you what actually the price action is in terms of forex trading and what the price action based strategies are. Since this course is about a very popular price action based strategy, so it's important to understand the basic idea of price action and price action based strategies. So let's start. Price action is actually the movement of the price of a security like currencies, stocks, bonds, commodities, futures, etc. We can see a security's price action or its price movement using the numbers and figures. But when we see the price movement of a certain security using graphical illustration like line charts, standard bar charts, or the Japanese candlestick charts, then we call this whole setup as price action chart. In forex and stock market, candlestick based price action charts are very famous since its graphical representation of the price movement of a security is very easy and simple to understand. In candlestick based price action chart, every single bar is called as candlestick since its basic figure looks like a candle. A candlestick of a security represents its price movement in a certain period of time. As you can see, this is a day chart. So here every single candlestick represents the movement of price during that day. This chart is showing the price action of 56 trading days. That means from November 8 of 2012 to February 4 of 2013. In this chart, price rose up and made an uptrend which is more than 1000 pips. It's huge, right? Now, traders who trade the market by analyzing the candles of a price action chart, we call them as price action trader. And the analysis process of trading the price action is called the technical analysis. There are many strategies have been made just based on the technical analysis. If someone develop a trading rule that when to enter into the market, where to place the stop loss, and where to look for profit using a disciplined capital management system, then they are actually following a trading strategy. A trading strategy allows someone to be disciplined about following a trading method using some specific rule to get success on trades. So let's say you know very well about the candlestick patterns. Now, if you develop a strategy just based on some strong candlestick patterns, then you are a price action trader who follows a price action based strategy where your every trade setup depends on the candlesticks only. That means you will enter into the market only if you see a strong candlestick pattern in a price action chart. You have developed your strategy or trading method that where to place a trade entry, where to place the stop loss, how far you will set your targeted profit level, and the other relevant things. On the same way, if someone develop a strategy just based on some specific price action patterns like the head and shoulder price action patterns or the double top pattern, then they are also following a strategy where they only enters into the market whenever they will see a double top or a head and shoulder pattern. They know it very well on which point they should have to trigger a trade and where to place the stop loss and take profit levels. So they are the price action traders who has a price action based strategy where they only trade certain price action patterns. So those people who trade the market by analyzing the price actions in a chart, they are the price action traders and also as well as are the technical analysts. So having a good trading strategy and then following every single rules and be disciplined about that strategy is very important to become successful in trading the securities. So in this course, you will learn a very popular and reliable price action based strategy which has adopted by most of the professional and successful price action traders. And the strategy is called the swing trading strategy. In swing trading, we focus only on the trends. Either it's an uptrend or downtrend in a price action chart. Approximately more than 80% of the time, you will see the market is trending either on upward direction or in the downward direction. And the trend is happening almost in all the major currency pairs and in stock market charts. So why not trading the trends? As you may have heard the saying that trend is your friend. So in this strategy, I will only talk about the trend trading. You will learn almost everything to trade the trends no matter how complex a trend looks like to you. So I hope you will watch every lecture in this course since everything I will tell you during the lectures in the whole course is very well organized and relevant to the subject. So I am signing off for today. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.